Hello, my name's Pam. Thanks for coming back to my channel. I think you can probably hear my cat mama out there howling her lungs out. Here, crying. Yeah. So anyway, today what we're going to do is open a mystery box that I bought from Barb over at Barb's Makeup Journey. I believe it was $32 she charged for this, and then she put in 5 mystery items. So anybody that wanted a mystery box could have paid her ahead of time, and then she put several boxes together and picked them at random and sent them to folks. So even she didn't know what was exactly in the boxes. So I don't know either. Now I did open it, full disclosure, because I saw this water stain on the outside of the box and I thought maybe something leaked on the inside. Nothing leaked. Everything is perfectly fine. So I just didn't want it to leak more if it leaked, you know what I mean? So we're just going to go ahead and go for the first thing. And it is a tinted blush cream stick by BCBG. I've not tried this product before, so I'm excited to try this. I do like cream blushes. Very pretty. We're going to do a swatch as we go. That is beautiful. Very, very wearable. And I will definitely use that. Thank you so much, Miss Barb. I'm sure it's buildable. Yes, it is. So if I want a bright pink flush, I certainly can get that with this item. And these are nice because you can travel with them fairly easily. Just keep the lids, you know, when you get a product like this that has a lid, keep the lid. It keeps the product from drying out. You'll be able to use it longer. So that's lovely. Definitely use that. Next item in here, 16-hour camo concealer, which is awesome. This is by e.l.f. And this looks like a pretty fair color, so it should work for me. Fair beige. So as fair as I am, oh, excuse me guys, I'm sorry I hit the camera. I'm going to adjust the camera again, sorry. As fair as I am, this should be a good color for me. It looks like it has a little bit of a cool tone to it, so that's even better. Yep, this is the perfect color concealer for my under eye. That'll work great. I will use that. I think that makes me good on concealers. Now, I actually was considering buying one, but now I don't think I need to. All right, I cleaned off the old canvas there. Let's see what else we got in here. Oh, this beautiful lipstick by NARS. If you know anything about NARS, NARS is a brand that's a little bit pricey. I did look at this. Like I said, I opened up the box because I thought maybe something had spilled on the inside. And then once I opened it, you know, I'm like a kid at Christmas. I can't be trusted not to root through the whole box, so I did. This is a beautiful lip color. It's like a deep berry red. And I have a friend, actually my friend that just visited this past weekend, loves dark lip colors, so I think I'm going to give this to her. I think she would really enjoy that. So Chris, if you're watching this, this is going to be coming your way, my friend. I usually go for a neutral lip or light pink lip. This is a mystery box, so you don't know what you're going to get, so dark lip is fine. There's one thing in here out of the whole thing that I won't personally use, but I know somebody that certainly can. So my feelings are not hurt. Overall, $32, I think I already got my value, probably just with the frickin' lipstick, let alone, you know, the blush and the concealer and the other items that are in here. Okay, so next is a Sculpting Contour Palette by Babe Beauty. And I do believe that, see there's like some dust on it. I think the dust is from these things. I did not open this up, so. Ooh, that is pretty. Okay. So it's all powders. Those are very silky powders. Yeah, that's beautiful. That's very, very usable. That's lovely. Thank you, Barb. Yeah, that's great for a contour palette, which is what it says it is. All right, and the very last item in here. So to recap, we got 5 items total. A contour palette, a lipstick, a blush, a concealer, and an eyeshadow palette. So not too shabby for $32, guys. if you are interested in getting your own mystery box from Barb, just hop on over to Barb's Makeup Journey, check out her channel, and if she does it again, she'll have details over there. You can also email her and on her channel description and within her video, she talks about how you can email her and get a hold of her if you want to ask her about buying any makeup from her or mystery boxes. Barb's just an average lady, just like you or me or your mom or whatever. And she gets subscription boxes. She keeps the things out of them that interest her, things that don't interest her. She gets duplicates, that type of thing. Or if she picks something up at Ross or TJ Maxx or whatever for a song, she then offers those products to other people for extremely reasonable price. Like, she's not making bank on these guys. She's basically selling the makeup at whatever she gets it for, maybe $1 or $2 extra to help cover her shipping. And then you can, you can have an opportunity to get some makeup that you may not have otherwise been able to fit into your budget. So check her out, Barb's Makeup Journey. This is beautiful. This is perfect for spring. I did not have this palette, so I'm quite excited to have this. I've already added it to my wheel, my palette wheel. Now, one of my kind viewers was asking for swatches of colorful but pastel colors, pastel type colors for springtime, swatches of that. And look, Barb gave me one to do. I have other ones too, so I do plan on doing some more swatches here soon. Whatever you guys that watch my channel ask for, I am willing to give it a try. So just let me know down in the comments if you see a particular product you would like me to research a little bit better, tell you a little bit more about, or if you want certain swatches of certain palettes or whatever, let me know. Look how pretty that is. That is so pretty. I'm going to put the rest of the colors over here, and then we can see them together. Hi, Walter. The shimmers are very, very creamy. They have almost like a spongy, not quite wet, but definitely a different texture than the mattes. This is a little bit shimmery, it looks like. Yeah, very, very slight shimmer, but it's not as glittery as, say, that. All these colors are beautiful. I love this palette. Here's another one. Yeah, so my friend that I said I think will absolutely love that dark lipstick that I'm going to send it to, she loves to go to bingo, and she wins like every time she frickin' goes. So her and her husband, we've been friends with them for probably 30 years now, and they came down, and we're in South Florida. They came down and visited us, and me and my friend went to bingo, and your girl here won a free bingo computer, which is like a little thing that you play on while you're there. I won that first, and then I proceeded to win 4 jackpots. I ended up walking out of the bingo hall with $600 in my pocket. Woo! That was awesome. Okay, so here are your ColourPop Aura and Out swatches. And I think those are beautiful, and that'll look great for Easter. So that was the mystery box from Barb's Makeup Journey. Again, if you are interested, go on over to Barb's Makeup Journey and give her some love and check it out. Even if you don't want a mystery box, that's not something you're interested in, just go check her out anyway. She's a nice lady, and she does free giveaways twice a week. You might get lucky and win one of those. I've won a couple, and the gifts that she sent me are just as nice as the mystery box that I won. She gives away beautiful gifts, so go check her out. I think you'll enjoy it. Do yourself a favor. All right, that's it for today. I appreciate you watching. If you could comment, like, and share, I would appreciate that. Did you get a mystery box from Barb? If you did, what was your favorite item? What was your favorite item out of what I got? What do you think of it? Let me know. Talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye.